maker of the people's car, Volkswagen is a firm believer in investing in people, and motorsport is a great way to showcase this.
The GTC, or Global Touring Car Series, is South Africa's premier circuit racing formula. We are the defending champions, so we are the ones with the target on our back.
To successfully defend our 2019 titles, we had to build a completely new car.
And this is it. This is the 2020 Golf 8 GTI, designed and built by VW Motorsport in conjunction with numerous partners, all experts in their own field.
Racing with the new Golf 8 GTI will provide us with the perfect platform to showcase its performance aspects months ahead of the official launch in South Africa.
And more importantly for me, it's what my teammate Daniel Rowe and I need to take on the best drivers in the country.
In racing, it's all about power to weight. Our new Golf GTI, we've significantly lightened the motor car, making this one our fastest and most powerful Volkswagen GTC car yet. The hatchback styling of the GTI means we could shorten the car's overhang significantly, making it an all-round better handling package. The drivers especially will feel the handling package when turning into a corner.
This is the best handling car I've ever driven. With this new car and such a great team at Volkswagen Motorsport, I cannot wait to defend our title.
Volkswagen is ready to introduce the original Vrpa to South Africa and to cement our place in the performance hatch segment.
And Volkswagen Motorsport is ready to take on the competition in our quest to defend our GTC titles.
Bring it on!